and if you're new here, hey friend. Today we are going to be doing a hair review and unboxing. So before we get into this video, I would just like to give a special thanks to the hair company that will be sponsoring this video, and I'll let you know their hair company in a minute. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So this month we have a new hair company, and they are called True Glory Hair. Okay, so I really like the packaging, and this is all of their social media information. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, follow them, okay? So let's open and see what's inside. Okay, so as soon as you open a box, you're greeted with "Hello, gorgeous." And this is what's inside. So they have a hair care booklet, your guide to hair care, and it talks about like what to do before the install, like co-washing them. Of course, you always want to wash your hair, like your bundles, your wigs, you always want to wash them before you install them. And then they talk about like how to care for the hair when you're just doing basic things like detangling and combing it and styling it. So they also have it split up into sections, so that way you know how to care for the hair based off of the texture, which is really nice. And I actually like this packaging, guys. Like this right here, this is nice. Like I love the design. And let me show you the back. So this is the thank you along with the social media information, products we love section, and of course more hair care advice like coloring your hair and how to care for wigs, frontals, and closures. So basically you got all the information you need to care for this hair properly. Okay, so let's get into this wig. So the first thing I see when I open this is this True Glory edge scarf. So it's super cute, laid and slayed. I really like that. So it has laid and slayed, and then it has the Glory hair symbol on it. So that's that. Oh my gosh, like this packaging is everything, guys. Like let me show you how detailed they went. Okay, so they got the tissue paper, right? Look at what the tissue paper says. The tissue paper even says True Glory. Like, come on out. Like, well thought out. Well thought out. Like, I don't even want to just, I can't bring myself to just ball this up and trash it. Like I just can't. Like, it's staying in the box. Okay, it's staying in the box. Okay, so now for the star of the show, our straight headband wig. So this headband wig is version Brazilian, 18 inches. And y'all know at this point, I'm like the headband wig queen because like that's my go-to. What can I say? So I wanted to try something different, something straight. I really love how this hair feels, first of all. Like, it is so freaking soft, y'all. Like, so soft. So this is what the headband wig looks like. It has the Velcro headband attached to the wig. And then the combs. So you get the combs here, and then the comb in the center. And then you also get this comb here at the bottom. I love the fact that it does not have a smell. That's always great. But that's not gonna stop me from washing this wig. But to give you an idea of how this wig looks, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'm not even gonna use the combs or anything because I just want y'all to get a good look at the wig. So that way you have an idea. So this is how it looks on. probably do need to use the combs, but this is how the wig looks. So this is how long it is, and this is the back, how long the back is. So yeah, what I'm going to do is wash this hair, and then after I'm done washing it, I'm gonna show you how I care for the hair when it comes to drying it and styling it. Back in a snap. All right guys, so we are back. This is the hair after I washed it and conditioned it. So it's still fairly wet, more wet than damp. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do what the hair care booklet says. Okay, so what we're gonna do is use a blow dryer because we don't have time for this air dry, okay? We don't have time. So we're gonna use a blow dryer, but we're gonna put it on the low setting. So using my Shein blow dryer cap, I am going to use this to blow dry the hair. And I will have this link below, by the way. Very inexpensive. So you just put it on like so. Okay, so now that it's on, we're gonna take our blow dryer and we are gonna put this around it. And we are just going to blow dry it. Now I was able to comb it out, but yeah, now it's time to really straighten it. It already looks kind of straight because I did take the blow dryer and kind of blow dry it as I was combing it just to get it as dry as I could. So guys, this is how it looks. It's still very soft, very shiny. And before I combed it and blow dried it, I made sure to put some heat protectant on it, which is this heat protectant that I use right here. So now I got my flat iron and we're gonna get to flat ironing. Okay, so this is the finished product. So your girl washed the hair, conditioned the hair, blow dried the hair, flat ironed the hair, and this is what it looks like. Very shiny, has body. Okay. Let me know what y'all think about this hair in the comments because baby, it's giving. It's giving. So yeah, all of the information on this hair will be linked below in the description box. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give your girl the big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to click that subscribe button because if you're watching my channel and you ain't subscribed, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? Until next time, peace.